What's up, everyone? Season 7, baby. And guess what? Finally done. Well, 90% done. We're 90%. So the last stream I did was on November 24th. And that was the anniversary show where Daily Chat Season 6 ends. You know, we launch into the new season. And it is January 3rd. So, you know, a little bit of lag time. But I was wrapping up final exams and then Christmas and then New Year's. And then on top of everything, I just did not want to open OBS. That was just pretty much it. My laziness has gone really bad. I mean, like, almost to the point where I have to start, like, looking back and wondering what the hell is happening. But with all that said, I am done school. That big pog chant for me. Done. Degree number 4 is in the bag. It's literally waiting for the degree to get sent to me. With that being said, Christmas was good. I did nothing. And New Year's was good. I did nothing. And yeah, basically I did nothing the last 2.5 weeks. And I'm sure many of you are probably the same way. Now, one thing you will have noticed is a lot of the channels are starting to get content posted to them. The main channel, the game channel, coding. I actually am actively working right now on, I was retrofitting a project for a old boss of mine, and I realized as I was retrofitting it that, hey, I did a lot of like really bad practices that doesn't make this thing adaptable for many other use cases without a lot of work. So instead of retrofitting it, I've decided to scrap it and just rebuild the program right from square one, right from line number 1. Nothing is getting recycled. So I'm actively working on that project right now. In fact, if we actually come here and look at our drive, we have, this is the video cache. This is where I store like all my videos. And a lot of stuff here is still very much in active development. So like if we come to the main channel, the main channel has 154 gigs worth of stuff that's probably still under editing right now. So I still have to do my Black Magic, Asus Mesh, Alto Mixer Teardown, the Blue Yeti Nano, which I bought back God knows how long ago. It definitely wasn't 2018, I can tell you that. When did I buy this? When did I... Okay, this isn't even the day I bought it. This is the day I opened it. 2019, so 2-year-old video. So still got to work on that. There's still a lot of stuff inside of active development that I've been trying to get through. Right now, I am working on this thing for... A lot of companies are now making you do these, like little gay skill assessment tests. I don't get the appeal to them. And because I think they're stupid, I'm just like publishing the answers to all these questions. So this is one I'm working on right now. Video is actually pretty much ready to go. I just have to do the voiceover, which we double right back to the laziness thing and me not wanting to do it. This video has been done for literally 5 days. Premiere's been open, Audacity's been open, and I just don't want to record me talking. But it is actually actively done. So I'm getting onto all of these. But yeah, just quick update for episode 1. It is CES at the time that I'm recording this. It is Monday, January 3rd, so CES just kicked off. Not a lot of news today, but the Tuesday, so January 4th, is when all the keynotes come out. I believe NVIDIA is doing their announcement at that time. There will be a lot of news coming out tomorrow, which is when you guys will start getting news. Again, because frankly, as you guys know, I don't just cover the normal gaming news because I just don't care about the gaming industry. It's just not that cool. I cover the hardware. I cover the stuff that actually affects you. So with that said, guys, wanted to give you guys a quick update, touch base, let you guys know where I'm at, double back, go up the chain of command, loop around, all that kind of stuff. But there you guys have it, man. Okay, I'm going to peace out. Guys, thanks so much for tuning in. My name has been Arif. This has been Daily Chat, Season 7, Episode 1, and I'll see all of you tomorrow for CES Day 2.